coming to the school, you have to come regularly. Okay. So see, like it is found that some of you are coming. See, like 1 week you are taking a leave. Then after that, 2 days you come to the class. Then after that, again disappearing. Then appear after 1 week. So if you attend the classes like that, there is no any benefit. So if you are coming, you come regularly, and if you are not coming, then don't come. Okay. So from today onwards, we will have. Okay, you are already having regular classes. Whenever if you find that if you are continuously absent for 3 days, then you have to take the same, like the letter you have given. So how you have started in the same procedures will be there. So you have to again undergo the same procedures. Okay, and it is found that there are some students, like it is a marriage season, and you know, if you are married, there are limits given there for a marriage function. The number of participants of a marriage function is 50. But you might have seen that in every marriage function, there will be more than 100, 200, 300 people. Okay, and you don't know which area they are coming from. Okay, so we are telling you, even though we are telling you, if you go in the market, we find that there are nobody is using mask, or there are no any social distancing, there is no any kind of precautions taken. Okay, so people are considering things in very lavish way, or very they are not taking the things into serious. You know, see, like this is a very dangerous sickness, and once if you are get affected with this one, so people consider that this, like the mortality rate of this one is like 2%, means that if 100 people are getting COVID-19, in that there are only 1 or 2 people are dying. But you don't think that so if I get this one and also there is no problem. Okay, don't think like that. First of all, this sickness is little bit serious because see, like people those who are affecting, they, even though physically they are not they are see, like you may be thinking that I am very strong, I have good immunity power, so it is nothing will happen. Okay, it is not like that. Even so, the people those who are having good immunity power, they will be able to resist, but it will affect us even after this one. See, like just like a fever, it may come and go, but there are so many studies conducted, and they say that see, like people those who are affected by this one, they have many side effects even after like after 1 month or 2 months, even after that. Okay, and some people they say that once if you are getting affected, then you will never it will never come again. You know, like this is almost like chicken pox. You know, chicken pox. So chicken pox is there. See, like once if it is coming, and if it goes, then after that entire your life it will not come. So the antibody is already created. So to some people it is working. It is just like that. See, like see, if any virus or any kind of things are there, if it enters into our body, there are in our body there are antibodies are there. You know, so these antibodies are just like soldiers, those who are in the borders, they are fighting. You know, so they are like that. See, when the virus comes, they come and attack them. Okay, so if our antibodies, if our body is fit, if we are healthy, strong, then our antibodies also will be strong, and we will be able to defeat the viruses. Okay, so you know, see, like you have already heard in Italy and America and all, this virus was very much powerfully affected. But here it is not much affected. In India, we know, see, like the cases of are very less, as well as the death rates are very much low. Okay, the reason is that first of all, the virus is not powerful as the powerful. There are different stage viruses are there. First stage, second stage, third stage, like that. So the virus which is available in India is less powerful. Third grade and all is there. So in very few people only are affecting only few areas. There are strong viruses, especially in Maharashtra and so on. There are little strong viruses, and the spreading rate as well as death rates are very high there. But in other states, especially in UP and all, we don't have that powerful viruses are not there. It doesn't mean that we can be take things lavishly like that. Okay, so you take precautions, you eat good food, and especially it is winter, so you have to take good food, and you have to be strong enough, sleep nicely. Okay, nicely you have to sleep. Some are what to say? You say that I want to watch an online class and take mobile from your parents and play mobile games and spend all night. Some are doing like that, you know. So our students are not doing. I'm telling that some other school students are there like that. Some naughty students. We are all good students. You don't do like that, isn't it? So there are students doing like that. So it is not good to do those things, like especially. And another thing is that, see, like before you sleep, don't use mobile phones at least before 30 minutes. Okay, so just like some people are there, they are using mobile phones, and just before they sleep also they keep on watching mobile phone and suddenly they sleep. So that is not good for your eyes as well as brain. Okay, it will affect your eyes and brain. So you at least 30 minutes before you go to sleep, like if you are going to sleep at 10 o'clock, you have to stop using mobile phone at least by 9:30. Okay, so you have to, so you will have a half an hour of relaxed time. After that only you go to sleep. Okay, and sleep at least 8 hours. Drink more water, you know, and use kind of like a lemon juice, orange, or these things which are having like a citric acid and all is there, or a little sour type things you have to eat. Okay, and try to be healthy, and see, like the government regulations have been given. So these regulations have been given not just for fun or not simply for the purpose of other people. It is for us also. Okay, so if you take precautions, once if you are affected by the virus, or if anybody is there, if any kind of problems comes, after that, first of all, there are no medicine for this one, and not only this one, for any kind of sicknesses, it is better that we have to avoid the sicknesses, isn't it? So you try to be like if you are in a crowd, there are people those who are gathering together. So if you find that they are gathering, you just wait for a few minutes there, okay, and let them go, and have a free space whenever you go. In the class also, when you see like there are different students coming from different areas, so like we have made at least 2 meters distance and made you to be seated in the class. It is because that it is not that you should not talk or you should not do anything. Okay, it is to give you your own protection. Okay, so it is your responsibility. We have written your letter and received that, and our case is we have washed our hands. We have no any responsibility. Means it doesn't mean that we don't have responsibility, but it is your own responsibility to take care of yourself. Okay, so protect yourself. Try to be protecting yourself. Yesterday I had gone to the market and I found that there are people just living just like just normal life. You know, there are no any precautions. People are not taking any kind of precautions. So whenever there are, and see, yesterday I was standing in an ATM for taking money, and I was keeping at least some social, for the purpose of maintaining social distancing. I just kept one little far away, and by the time other people are entering into that place, isn't it? So, and I told that person that I am also there in the line. Then he told that you come and stand here. Then I said that I am maintaining social distancing. Then they are not understanding those things. Okay, and especially when you are entering, if you are happen to enter into the ATM machine counter, don't enter all of them together. There are, you can see like if in that it is written only one person is there, should be there. At least 4 or 5 are entering there and still standing. So first of all, it is, even though virus is not there, then also it is not good to be inside the ATM machine. For more people should not be there. And now this is a coronavirus situation is there, so you have to be, see, like it is a closed room. So open air is there, then there is less chance of spreading is there. So but it is in a closed room and a very small room. So if the one person who is entering there, if 5 people are there inside or 3 people are there inside, and if one person is already affected one, then there is a chance that all 3 can get it. Okay, so you have to be cautious. You maintain distancing and try to be safe. Okay, so these things you have to take care. And regarding your copies, so we have already, in the last week itself, I have given you information regarding your notebooks. You have to complete your notebooks and submit it. And dates I have already sent you. Have you received it in WhatsApp?
Yes.
Okay, so the roll number 1 to 20 has to submit copies tomorrow. and roll number 21 to 40 will be on the day of means on 10th, and the other roll numbers are on the next day 11th. Okay, so these 3 dates have been allotted, and all the copies together you have to submit. Okay, so if you are like it is difficult for you to come and submit like one English subject if you are calling on one day, and SST if you are calling another day, so it will be difficult for you and your parents to come and submit. Those who are not coming to the school regularly, they will be finding it difficult if their parents. So you make it, so all the copies you try to make together and prepare and complete all the works up to the half yearly term. So for half yearly exam, how much portions was covered, up to that you have to complete the copies. Okay, and write your name and roll number. Roll numbers I have already sent you a list. Please, in the exam also there are few students those who have written the roll number wrong, and I had to write the roll number again, change the roll number. So some students are, I had sent you the roll number just before the exam, and I told you that you have to write this roll number. So if you don't have the roll numbers, if anybody is there, those who do not know roll number properly, all of you know. Okay, so you should know the roll number properly and write the roll number properly there. So when you submit your copy, you write your name, your roll number, class and subject. This much things should be clearly written inside the copy, as well as see like if there like this a book is there, so on the top of the book you have to write there. You put a name slip there and write there. Okay, as well as you just write inside also first page. Okay, so there is also column given there. Both sides you have to write. Okay, so we are telling you to write it on the top. Some are thinking that I have written name in the this one outside, inside, and not writing name on the top. So if your name is written on the top, if it is somewhere lying down there, we can understand that this one. Okay, and also see like you are submitting to the class teacher, and class teachers have to give it to the different subject teachers. So if it is there on the top, it is easy to understand. The teachers can easily identify and hand over it to the teachers. Okay, and we will collect it and we will give it to the subject teachers, and they will check it. So see like it is at least some half book is there. And if you make like if your one copy is over, second copy is there. On that also you write, and you write copy 2. Okay, second copy, first copy, second copy, like that you have to write. Okay, or notebook 2 you have to write. Okay, so in that you have to mention. Otherwise, see like if you are a subject, if you are submitting, so for English one copy already submitted, then only one copy will be counted. Do you understand? So if you are submitting 2 copies, and if you have not received it back, so it should be mentioned there on the copy properly. If 2 copies are there for one subject. Okay, so that you have to specify first copy, second copy, like that you have to write it, and proper. All the details should be written properly on the this one. So even for the exam, we have told you that you have to write all the details properly. And some students have taken the photos of the paper and send me. So and on that see like on the top there is a box given there for writing your name and roll. Somebody had sent me the paper. That portion is not there. Only starting from where first roll number, answer starts, from there only you are sending. So how I will come to know that whose paper it is? Yes or no? So you have to be careful all these things. You should use some sense. Yes or no? So we have told you, if you are sending the front page, so in the front page that, and somebody has taken the photo and sent me that in that the photos are very not clear at all. Especially the name portion is not visible at all. Okay, so if it is like that, then we will not be able to. So see like if you are sending a message in WhatsApp, after that all these messages will be coming together to the gallery. So if you just open the gallery, then all these papers are mixed up. So it is very difficult for if you, even though the number is saved in our mobile, but it is not easy to find it out. There are 60 students sending, and one student is sending at least some 10 to 12 pages. So if names are not written, it is very difficult for the teachers to handle these things. So you should understand the problem, or you should understand these things. Then only the workload of the teachers you have to reduce. Okay, so like if you are sending a copy, 10 copies are there. You know your copy it is, but the teacher do not know. And when I am collecting it and I am handing over this copy to the subject teachers, like some students have submitted projects, and on the project there are no name, nothing is there. Okay, so somebody had covered it in the, like 5 subjects or all the subjects projects you have made it together and kept it in a cover, and on the top of the cover you have written the name. But once you remove it from the cover, and when I hand over this cover to a subject teacher, for that subject teacher he will not get that cover. I cannot give to everyone. Otherwise we will have to see the cover and we have to write the name of the student on this one. Okay, so when you do this type of things, you should see to it that your name, your roll number, your admission number, all these details are clearly mentioned on the whatever things that you are submitting. Okay, so if you maintain this one, it is for the safety of yourself. It is there. So you submitted something, and after that you are telling that I had submitted and I did not get a mark, you will come with a complaint. But if your name and roll number is not mentioned on the paper, then we cannot do anything. Okay, so those kind of things you have to be careful. So copies you complete and submit on the exactly given date. Okay, there is a habit of the students that like if I give the date on Tuesday, all will come on Wednesday only. So such type of things will not be there. The date is given and we will be collecting roll number 1 to 20. So those students have to submit only on that day. Okay. On the next day, other students are there supposed to submit, and on that day you don't bring the copies. Okay. So those roll numbers allotted, you have to submit the copies together. Okay. So roll number 1 to 20, if it is called, only roll number 1 to 20 will be collected. You are then after that you cannot say that I am coming from Bafnan and I am coming from Chhavni, and this much distance I have travelled and came and I cannot submit. So already I am informing you, you have to, the date is given to you, on that date you have to submit. And the copy should be complete also. Simply don't, for the sake of submitting, don't simply submit the copy. It should be complete. Okay. And your internal marks are there for notebooks, so that will be calculated based on the copies. So if you have copies are there, the teachers will be validating that, and after that they will be giving you the marks for the notebooks. And if your copies are not submitted on time, you will not be getting the marks. Okay. After that, there is no need of regretting. And there are few students who have not submitted the projects. The first time project was there, so almost 80% of the people have submitted, but there are still few people. So those who have not submitted the projects also can, along with the copy, you can submit the projects also. Okay, so you do these type of things, and you concentrate on your studies. Okay, simply don't simply waste your time. It's like online classes there. I know that there are so many difficulties. It is not that easy as we are telling. Just it is not easy to study, especially like sitting with a mobile phone, like watching a class of 20 minutes. It's not an easy job, isn't it? So like even if you are watching a mobile and if you are watching a movie there, but also if it is for continuously, if you are watching 2 hours, if you watch, you get tired, isn't it? So if you are on the TV, which is comfortably, nicely, you can sit and watch. But mobile phone, you have to hold it and your head will start paining. So many problems will be there. And it is not the case of movie. It is in the class, then all the more you will feel all the pains, isn't it? So you have to be, but you need to little bit work hard and continue your studies, because like you are in 9th class, next year you have to go to 10th class. So most of the things that you are studying now will be useful in the next year also. Okay, so you have to connect it and study nicely.